From forests to grasslands, wetlands, and estuaries, every ecosystem on the planet has evolved over millions of years to perform all sorts of ecological functions unique to its particular place in the world, playing a role within these macronutrient cycles happening on a planetary scale. When we disrupt or alter these ecosystems due to development, we lose those unique functions as well as the role in sequestering and storing carbon, which cumulatively can have massive impacts on these global systems. With the regulation of greenhouse gases being more important than ever in this era of climate change, it's easy to know how much money can be made from tampering with or developing these ecosystems, but what's the opportunity cost? What's their value as a healthy functioning ecosystem? Now, every part of the world is unique, but let's use Vancouver BC as an example here by analyzing the avoided cost values from the negative impacts of climate change that's sequestered and stored annually by each land cover class. Now, many of the forests in the area have been modified from their high sequestering, high storing forms of mature old growth forests, but these second growth forests here still play a key role, with studies showing that these different forest types, carbon sequestering and storing, help us avoid $1.5 billion worth of cost from damages to the environment annually. Now, wetlands, including swamps, marshes, and bogs, save us an additional $287 million cost annually, whereas grasslands, covering a smaller area here than elsewhere in the world, hold a $64 million worth of damage avoided. Now, clearly, the ecological function of these ecosystems intact has an incredibly high value, and it doesn't take an economist to see that it's far smarter of an investment to restore and protect their function instead of continuing to develop and destroy it, not only for the immediate communities surrounding them, but for the longevity of life on this planet.